What is the history of Celtic dance? As you wander through the enchanting landscapes of Ireland, you may find yourself wondering about the origins of Celtic dance. This captivating art form is deeply woven into the fabric of Irish culture. Celtic dance has roots that stretch back over 2,000 years, tracing its beginnings to the ancient Celts who inhabited much of Europe. These early people had a vibrant cultural life that included music, dance, and storytelling, all of which played a significant role in their communities. The dances of the Celts were often performed in circular formations. This style mirrored the stone circles found throughout Ireland and other Celtic regions. During celebrations, dancers would move in a clockwise direction, while counterclockwise movements were reserved 4 times of mourning. This connection to nature and community is a hallmark of Celtic dance. One of the earliest recorded forms of Irish dance is known as the rinse fada, or long dance. This dance was documented in the year 1689 and was performed to honor the arrival of James II to Ireland. Over the years, Irish dance evolved into various styles, including set dancing and solo step dancing. Set dancing involves groups of people moving in specific formations and shares similarities with European dances like the quadrille. As you travel through Ireland, you will encounter a variety of Irish dance styles, each with its own unique history and cultural significance. For instance, Sean Nós dancing is a traditional form characterized by intricate footwork and has been preserved through generations. Modern Irish step dancing, which gained immense popularity through performances like Riverdance, has roots in the efforts of the Gaelic League during the late 19th century. Experiencing these dances firsthand can be a highlight of your trip. You can attend traditional dance sessions or visit cultural festivals where these dances are showcased. These events illustrate how dance brings communities together, reflecting the social and cultural essence of Ireland. Irish dance is more than just entertainment. It serves as a bridge to connect with the rich history and vibrant cultural heritage of the country. Each step, each rhythm, tells a story that has been passed down through the ages, inviting you to join in the celebration of Irish culture.